If your Assurance Wireless phone is lost, stolen, damaged, or malfunctioning, you're eligible for a replacement. Call 1-888-898-4888 or visit assurancewireless.com to request one. Have your account details ready. Replacements are limited to one per year. Once received, unbox the phone and locate the SIM card. Insert it as per the provided instructions. Keep in mind, you must be an active Assurance Wireless customer enrolled in Lifeline to qualify. Proof of need, like a police report for a stolen phone, might be required. Activation of your Assurance Wireless replacement phone involves transferring your number and any data from your old device. Since Assurance Wireless uses the same carrier, either Verizon or AT&T, your phone number transfer is usually automatic once you activate the new device. The replacement phone comes with a pre-programmed SIM card. Your existing number is transferred automatically through the carrier's network when activation is complete. To finalize activation, for Verizon devices, dial 228 and follow the prompts. For other carriers, or if needed, call Assurance Wireless at 1-888-898-4888 and follow the automated instructions to confirm your account. Activation must be completed within 30 days of receiving the phone to avoid deactivation of your service. For transferring data from your old phone, several methods are available depending on your device type. One method is Bluetooth pairing between your old and new devices to transfer contacts, messages, and some apps directly. For Android devices, backup data to your Google account and restore it on the new phone. This includes contacts, photos, and app data. You can also manually export contacts from your old SIM card and import them to the new device if both phones support SIM card contacts. Important: physical data like photos and videos is not automatically transferred. Back these up to an external drive, cloud storage, or computer before switching devices. If you encounter SIM card errors or network connection issues during activation, contact Assurance Wireless customer service at 1-888-898-4888 for step-by-step assistance.